Alrighty. So it's 2 o'clock. Last night before it got dark, it was saying flood warning and had no rain predicted. Like, it got cloudy at like 4, and I was like, it went from being sunny to cloudy, and I looked at the weather and it said nope, rain, but flood warning until 10 p.m. I'm like, yeah, no rain, my pahootie. So we pretty much rained all night now, and it went from having no rain forecast for the rest of the week to having every single day rain for the next week almost. And it's not been a good morning again. Finally got to come out and check on these guys. I was worried that maybe some water got into their shed. Our bedroom is flooding again, so not fun. But all this mud. Super slippery. So here's the thing. Last night, the last remaining 2 chicks of my 3 from my birthday incubator hatch rescue. We gave them to her, and she took them. It was looking good. Sorry. Bad views. And I know, Mama. No, you went back in. I know, I mean. And I came out this morning. They were all doing good. And I came out here at 2 and it got dry. I was wanting to get this ramp down so they can go up as it gets any wetter. And there's only 5 of them. The little tuxedo tan one I cannot find. Like, it doesn't make any sense how he could have gotten out, but he's not in there that we can see. And like, unless he's buried somewhere. I don't know. I also lost a silk king in the barn this morning. Like, this has been a very, very bad week. They're very, very cute. There we go. I should have brought a plate so I can sit down. I'll probably go ahead and put their water back in there, or she'll just fill it with dirt. But so sick of losing chickens. Like, I went from never losing any chicks to all in 1 week, man. She's a good mama. I have no idea what happened. Can't even find him. That's my favorite. Of course that's my favorite. Oh. I don't know how long we have until it starts raining again. Gave them a break, let them come out. So we're down to 5 chicks. Get you in my little brown wings. I'm still trying to look and see, but there's nowhere for him to be. Doesn't make any sense. Alright. I hope y'all having a good day. It's bad news, and I'm expecting worse news still. I don't know. Alright, peace, love, and chickies. We're gonna run over here and over here.